Namaskaram. Skin is our body's largest organ as it is generally known, so it should come as no surprise that our skin's condition reflects our overall health than any other organ. In addition to reflecting any underlying health conditions, our skin can also provide insight into our physical makeup. Let's look at some of these. Vata Prakriti is characterized by a person's tendency to have dry, rough and dark skin. Pitta Prakriti is characterized by copper red, oily skin that is prone to heat rashes, moles and recurrent acne. People with Kapha Prakriti have complexion types that are noted to be fair, smooth and shining. Let us talk about a few of the typical conditions that manifest themselves in various ways on our skin. First is skin hyperpigmentation, or unusually dark areas is a sign of hormonal imbalance and slow metabolism. Second, dark circles and puffiness under the eyes may be signs of an iron deficiency, lack of sleep, or psychological illnesses like despair or worry. Psoriasis is indicated by excessive itching and rough scaly patches. A sign of lupus erythematosus is a rash in the shape of a butterfly on the face. Thyroid dysfunction may be indicated by thick, sensitive and waxy skin. White, non-itchy patches on the face may be a sign of leukoderma, intestinal worms or even calcium deficit. An arbitrary white spot could be a sign of leprosy in its early stages. Now let us straightaway dive into some natural remedies for great skin health. Coconut oil offers therapeutic anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Second is aloe vera. Aloe vera can promote the formation of new cells and has many therapeutic effects. Additionally, it hydrates and calms the skin without clogging the pores. Using aloe vera each day after washing your face could give your skin a nice radiance. To foster a bright young appearance, moisturize your skin with products that seal the moisture, support the healing and have antioxidant effects. If your face seems greasy, do not skip the moisturizer. Also avoid exfoliating your skin when it feels dry. When your skin is still damp from a shower or after washing your face, moisturize it. Instead of making your face feel smoother on the surface, this will trap the additional moisture. The number of vitamins and antioxidants in your body will increase if you eat a diet which is high in fruits and vegetables. The cells that make up your skin require water to operate properly, so drinking water is still associated very strongly with healthy skin. We hope that all these will aid you in identifying the early signs or symptoms of an underlying disease and could help you get glowing and nourishing skin. Let us know in the comments below which video you'd like for us to cover next. Until next time, Pranam.